Here I have OPPO F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So firstly you have to go to the Play Store, then tap here, go to the My Apps and Games, and go to the Updates. I am already at Updates, and here you can find all of your unupdated apps. So you can just tap Update button next to the app which you want to update, but you can also just tap Update All and update these all apps at once, but it could take some time, so yeah, you should decide how you want to update all of your unupdated apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.